In today's video, I'll be talking about how to use or claim your free $20 coupon code on Bybit. If you don't have an account with them yet, all you need to do is to click that link on the description now and get started, or you download the Bybit app and use this referral code as your ref code 51519. Okay, after that you just go ahead and do your verification, verify your account. After verifying your account, then you come here, click on this option, reward hub, and here you see the $20 USDT welcome gift. So you click on claim. After clicking on claim, you see it said your reward claim is successful. You click on use. It will take you to this derivative option. You see there's no funds here. Basically, the ideology behind this coupon code or voucher is to serve as a service fee for your trading activities. Instead of you being charged from your own personal money for the trading fee, they'll take it out from the coupon. Compared to your local bank, you get any transaction you do on your local bank, they always take what? Service fee, charges fee. They charge you not from the money you're sending, but from your balance left. It's similar to this. So that instead of you getting charged on your personal money, they will take every trading fee charges from this coupon for the next 7 days until the $20 coupon code elapses or expires. Mind you guys, the coupon code has an expiring date. You can see the expiring date on 19th of June. 7 days is the expiring date for this coupon code. Click on it. You can see you can go through it. If you don't know how to use it, there are instructions on how to use it here on the app. Also, you can click how do I use. You can see the instructions. Make a trade to apply your coupon. If your trade meets the criteria stated in our T&C, the coupon will be automatically applied. Coupons can be used to offset trading fees, as I said earlier on, for perpetual and future contracts, spot not included. So you can only use this for derivative, that's futures trading. You can't use it for spot trading. Coupons will be deducted to cover fees prior to your own capital. So instead of you being charged for trading fees and the rest, they will take it from this coupon. There are other coupons here also. You also stand a chance of getting $18 extra coupon code when you make a first deposit of $100 through USDT transfer or through P2P. You get $10 for that. So that's that for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.